Hi everyone. Myself Orkujotide, and in this video we will be solving a lit code question, easy level, smallest number with all set bits. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is the question? You will be given a positive number n, and you need to return the smallest number greater than or equals to n, such that binary representation of x contains all set bits. So uh, let's jump directly onto the example to have a better understanding of what's the question wants to tell us. Here n equals to 5. So what is the binary representation of 5? 5, I guess binary representation of 5, right? 5, 5. Oh, so the binary representation is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 4, 5. Yeah. 101 is the binary representation of 5. So in this, what you want to make is 5 has got 3 bits, right? So you need to make it 7. Why 7? Because you need to flip this 0th bit to 1th bit. Like you need to make the 0th bit to set bit. You need to convert it to 111. 111. You need to convert it to 111. Like uh, if 5 has got, if some number like 4 has got 100, then also you need to convert all the 0th bit to 1th bit, 111. So it will be 7. So it will be 111. Next, we can take another example as 10. What will be 10? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So for 10, it will be the binary representation will be 1010 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 3 to the power 4, 8 plus 2. Yeah. So you need to make this 0th bit to 1, and you need to make this 0th bit to 1. So let's check the constants. N is lesser than equals to 1000. So brute force will work because the maximum you can go is 10 to the power 8, and 10 to the power 8 is far away from 10 to the power 3, right? So what you can do here, the thing you can do is, can we slightly in an intuitive approach think of a solution uh, that we, if we would count how many bits are present, then we can like easily tell that okay, what will be the number having all the set bits. Suppose if you don't get my approach, wait a little bit. I'm like from 0 to 1, if I get any number between 0 to 1, my answer will be 1 because I have only got one set bit. If I got any positive number between 2 to 3, my answer will be 2. If I got any number between 4 to 7, my answer will be 7. If I got any number between 8 to 15, my answer will be 15. So what I can find in here is, if I would able to count how many bits are present in that, in like how many bits are present in the positive number that you have been given, and I can return 2 to the power the number of bits minus 1. Like suppose here for 5, how many bits are given to me? 3 bits. If I would count, able to count the number 3, then what is 3? It is nothing but 2 to the power 3 minus 1. That is 8 minus 1, 7. And if I talk about 10, 10 has got 4 bits. So 2 to the power 4 minus 1. 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 1 is 15. So you need to just count the number of bits that you were given, and then you need to return uh, like 2 to the power the number of bits minus 1. So how can you do that thing in coding? I'm coding it in Java. So public int smallest number, I think this is the okay, this is the function that is given to us by LeetCode. It will be written. So if n equals to 0, return 1, because if it is 0, then obviously it will be 1, like only one bit you need to return 1. Can I check something? Yeah, n can never be 0. As n can never be 0, I can comment out this h case, checking this h case, because n will never be 0 in the constant. It is already written that. So now I need to count the number of bits present, the number of bits present in the number that is passed in the function. So for that I am using a separate helper function. I can name it as private, because without me no one will be using this. It will be used by me only as a helper function, right? So int c is equals to 0. C is a counter variable to count the number of bits till n is greater than 0. For counting the number of bits, I am going to divide it by 2 each and every time, and I need to increment the counter by 1. By this method, I will found how many bits are present in it. Bits means I am including 0 and 1. I am not considering only set bits, right? So then I can return k will store the number of bits I have. Then I will return math.pow 2 to the power k minus 1, right? 2 to the power k minus 1. And as math.pow returns us a double type value, so and we are passing here integer, I am explicitly typecasting it to a int value. Like in bracket I am writing int for a explicit typecasting. Otherwise it may give me an error. Let's check. It may give me an error. I don't know. Yeah, see, incompatible types, right? So you should uh, make it explicitly int, and then it should run fine. Yeah, see, all the test cases pass, and I have comment it uh, down the edge case because the constants are not like that. So can I think, and here can I think that if I submit this it should run fine? Yeah, yeah, it is accepted, right? So done. Can we check some other solution for better like for better for developing our logic, and for while loop reading in count, leading zeros, building count with length? Okay, let's just skip this part. I need some time to like check the solutions, right? So it is done. So thank you, bye bye, take care, and keep smiling, be happy, because the ultimate purpose of life is to be happy, not to like gain all the materialistic wealth in the world, but you should be calm, composed, happy, and satisfied from within. As soon as you will change your inside, your outside will definitely see a reflection of the change. Thank you, bye bye.